What if you could grow your YouTube channel faster and earn more passively, without hiring a team or spending hours editing or writing content? Today, I'm going to show you 10 AI tools that are changing the game for YouTube creators, especially if you're looking to turn your channel into a money-making machine. Stick around because one of these tools is so powerful, we made over $2,000 with it, without making a single appearance on camera. And before you assume this is just another tools list, let me be clear, this video isn't about features, it's about leverage. I'm going to show you how these tools fit into a system that compounds over time. The real win here isn't saving minutes, it's building assets that keep working long after the video is published. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we help creators like you build and automate income using AI. And in this video, we're diving into 10 insane AI tools that can boost your YouTube growth and help you make real money online. Whether you're scripting, editing, optimizing SEO, or even creating full videos from scratch, these tools can cut your time in half and double your output. And yes, I'll link many of them in the description below, some with free trials and bonuses. We'll go through real results, product walkthroughs, and show you how these tools fit together into a full content system. Ready? Let's jump in. One thing to keep in mind as we go through this list: you don't need all 10 tools. Most people burn out because they try to stack everything at once. The goal here is to identify the 1 or 2 tools that give you the biggest return for your type of content, and then build around that. Before we get into the tools, here's something important to understand. None of these work in isolation. The real magic happens when you start stacking them together. Keep that in mind as we go. Let's start with the foundation, because if people can't find your videos, nothing else matters. Let's start with the MVP, TubeBuddy. This browser extension does all the heavy lifting for keyword research, SEO, and even A/B testing thumbnails. We used TubeBuddy to optimize one of our Faceless videos and saw a 30% increase in views without changing the video itself. Want titles that actually rank? TubeBuddy gives you real-time suggestions based on competition and search volume. If you're not using TubeBuddy, you're guessing. Grab the link in the description. It's free to start. Here's why this matters. Most videos don't fail because they're bad. They fail because no one sees them. TubeBuddy removes that guesswork. It tells you before you publish whether a title has a chance. That alone can save months of trial and error. Now that people can actually find your videos, the next bottleneck is speed, writing scripts without burning out. Forget Jasper. WriteSonic is my go-to for writing full YouTube scripts, descriptions, and even blog posts to repurpose your videos. With one click, you can generate a hook, intro, and full script based on your topic or channel niche. I used it to create a full 5-minute script in under 2 minutes, and it actually sounded natural. I've dropped the link for WriteSonic down below in the description. It gets you started right away. Now, quick context. This is usually where people ask, okay, but what do you actually use? Because theory is nice, but tools only matter if they save time or make money. That's why when I mention something like WriteSonic, it's not random. It's because it replaces an entire task that used to slow everything down. WriteSonic shines when speed matters. If you're batching content or building multiple channels, it's the difference between writing 1 script a day and writing 5 before lunch. But what if you don't need a full script? Just fast, lightweight content. Need something affordable with multiple tones and languages? Try Writer. It's perfect for writing short-form content. Think video descriptions, affiliate blurbs, or even video hooks. Writer is clean, fast, and beginner-friendly. Great for those just starting out and on a budget. Writer works especially well as a support tool. I don't use it for long scripts, but for captions, summaries, and quick variations. It's incredibly efficient. Now let's talk about the first thing viewers actually see: your visuals. Next up, Canva, not just for thumbnails. With AI integrations now built in, Canva helps you quickly design engaging visuals, video covers, and YouTube banners. We even use it for video transitions and animated text overlays. And here's a tip that I use myself. Use Canva's brand kit to keep all your fonts and colors consistent. Consistency is underrated. When viewers recognize your visual style instantly, click-through rates improve. Canva makes that repeatability simple, even if you're not a designer. Here's where things start getting really interesting, because this tool replaces hours of editing. Want to turn scripts into full videos automatically? Pictory is your tool. You paste in your script, and Pictory matches it with video clips, background music, and even voiceover options. It's perfect for faceless channels, or for turning blog posts into YouTube videos. Check the description down below for my link. It's one of the easiest ways to launch a faceless channel. This is where things start to scale. One script becomes a long-form video, several shorts, and even Pinterest clips. Pictory removes the editing bottleneck completely. Now here's the part most people don't realize when they first use a tool like Pictory, and this is where things really start to scale. You're not just creating one video, you're creating a reusable asset. That same script can become a long-form YouTube video, 3 shorts, a Pinterest pin, and even a blog post with almost no extra work. This is how faceless channels grow faster than traditional ones. Instead of spending hours editing, you're spending minutes repurposing. And by the way, this is exactly how we were able to stack videos consistently without burning out. Once you understand this mindset shift, tools like Pictory stop feeling like editors and start feeling like leverage. If Pictory is about speed, this next tool is about control. If you like more control and cinematic templates, go with InVideo. Their templates are stunning and perfect for YouTube intros, product reviews, and promo videos. We've used InVideo for ad creatives and landing page videos too. It's that flexible. And in a future video, I'll show you how to pair InVideo with Sonic to create viral shorts in one sitting. It's really not that hard to do. InVideo is ideal when branding matters more than speed. If you're building authority or pitching offers, the polish here really stands out. Now this one flips the entire no-face idea on its head. Now this one is wild. Synthesia lets you create full videos using AI avatars. No camera, no mic. Just pick an avatar, paste your script, and you get a talking head video in minutes. It's ideal for tutorials, explainer content, or corporate training. Some creators even run entire faceless channels using Synthesia avatars. The link is down below in the description if you want to test it out. This is especially powerful for evergreen content. Courses, explainers, and training videos don't need personality, they need clarity. Synthesia delivers that consistently. You already know this tool, but you're probably underusing it. You already know this one, but most people only scratch the surface. This next tool is ChatGPT. We use ChatGPT to generate video ideas, map out series content, and even write scripts with emotional hooks and CTAs. Try asking it, give me 5 video ideas in my niche that are trending this month, and watch the magic. Stick around, I'll be dropping a full prompt vault in a future video. The real power of ChatGPT isn't writing, it's planning. Once your content roadmap is clear, execution becomes easy. Editing is where most people quit. This tool fixes that. Descript is video editing for people who hate editing. You edit your video like you would a Word doc, cutting out words, filler sounds, or even adding AI voiceovers with one click. Great for podcasts, tutorials, and voice syncing. It's really a game changer for repurposing content into shorts and reels. Descript saves hours in post-production. If you've ever delayed publishing because editing felt painful, this removes that friction completely. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. What's actually working in your niche? Just like TubeBuddy, VidiQ gives you analytics, but with AI features for competitor research and content planning. Use it to analyze what's working in your niche, and then reverse engineer high-performing video formats. I like using it alongside TubeBuddy for a full-stack YouTube strategy. Using both gives you confirmation. When 2 tools point to the same opportunity, that's usually where the views are hiding. Before we wrap this up, there's one important thing I want to highlight, because this is where most people either win big or quit too early. Tools don't make money on their own, systems do. The creators who see results aren't using all 10 tools at once. They're mastering one workflow, then stacking tools on top of it. That's why this list matters. It's not about choosing everything, it's about choosing what fits your process, your time, and your goals. Once that clicks, everything becomes easier and a lot more profitable. So after testing all 10 tools, here's the real takeaway. After testing all these tools, here's what worked best for us. Combining TubeBuddy for SEO plus Sonic for scripts plus Pictory for fast video creation equals a complete system. We call it our 3-tool video machine. Want a walkthrough? I'll show you exactly how we built it in an upcoming video. But here's what most people overlook. Even with AI tools, it's still about storytelling, strategy, and speed. Use these tools to enhance, not replace, your voice. Here's something most people don't realize until they quit too early. Results lag behind systems. The first video might flop, the second might stall, but the third teaches you something, and that insight feeds the next 10. AI doesn't guarantee success. It guarantees iteration. And iteration is what eventually wins. Smash that subscribe button if this helped. Next up, I'm breaking down how to uncover evergreen niche ideas using AI, ones that build passive income on autopilot without chasing trends. If that sounds useful, you'll want to see the next video. See you there.